Stop wasting money on the wrong bandsaw. We tested the most popular models, and some might surprise you. Whether you're cutting wood, metal, or breaking down logs, there's a perfect saw for your shop. Watch before you buy. Links to every bandsaw featured are in the description below. Let's dive in. First up is the WEN BA3959 9-inch benchtop bandsaw, a solid, entry-level option for beginners and hobbyists working with limited space. Its 2.8-amp motor powers the blade up to 2,500 feet per minute, handling cuts up to 3.5 inches deep and 9 inches wide. It works with 59.5-inch blades from 1/8 to 3/8 inches, giving you room to experiment with different cuts. Despite its compact size, the saw feels stable and well-built, making it a smart pick for light-duty woodworking. Setup is simple and it doesn't take up much bench space. Whether you're making curved cuts, resawing small boards, or just need a dependable backup saw, the BA3959 delivers more than you'd expect for its price. It's a practical tool that gets the job done without fuss. The RIKON 103061 10-inch deluxe bandsaw raises the bar for serious woodworkers who want pro-level features in a compact form. With a half-horsepower motor and a sturdy cast-iron table, it offers power and stability for precise cutting. The toolless blade guides and quick-release tension lever make adjustments fast and frustration-free, while the steel frame adds long-term durability. It can cut up to 5 inches high, giving it a clear edge over most benchtop models when working with thicker material. Quiet, smooth, and built with care, the 103061 feels more like a full-size saw in a scaled-down body. For those ready to move past beginner tools without giving up shop space, this RIKON model delivers high-end performance in a manageable package. The QD-KYOHO 14-inch woodworking bandsaw is built for pros who need serious cutting power. With a half-horsepower motor and dual-speed settings, 1,445 and 2,950 FPM, it tears through hardwoods and softwoods without hesitation. Its welded steel frame, cast aluminum wheels, and cast-iron table combine strength with precision. The table tilts 45 degrees right and 5 degrees left, making angled cuts easy. Built-in overload protection adds a layer of safety, while the integrated light socket lets you install a work light for better visibility. This machine is made for heavy-duty use, ideal for cabinetry, furniture building, or resewing thick boards. If your work demands consistency, control, and power, the QD-KYOHO delivers on all fronts. It's not just tough, it's workshop ready. The WOODSKIL 9-inch benchtop bandsaw packs solid performance into a compact, budget-friendly machine. Its 3-amp induction motor powers the blade at 2,500 FPM, handling a variety of wood types with ease. The tilting aluminum table, up to 45 degrees, and steel base add both flexibility and stability, while built-in features like a rip fence and miter gauge boost cutting accuracy, rare perks in this price range. A 2.5-inch dust port helps keep sawdust under control, making cleanup simpler. Designed for DIYers and intermediate users, this saw strikes a strong balance between power, precision, and affordability. Whether you're tackling straight cuts or curves, the WOODSKIL offers reliability and convenience in a user-friendly package. Last on our list is the SKIL BW9501 00 9-inch benchtop bandsaw, a well-balanced tool built for precision and user-friendly operation. It runs on a 2.8-amp induction motor and offers a 2-speed drive system with tool-free belt tensioning, letting you switch speeds easily for different cuts. Blade tension and tracking are simple to adjust thanks to precision guides and a blade tracking sight window. The rack and pinion system allows fast, accurate table angle adjustments, while the miter gauge and steel base add to its stability and control. A 2.5-inch dust port fits standard vacuums, helping you keep your space clean. Ideal for hobbyists and DIY woodworkers, the SKIL BW9500-100 delivers a smart mix of power, precision, and user-friendly features. Goodbye for now. Did you find the perfect bandsaw that fits your workshop needs? Which features stood out the most to you? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want more tool reviews and buying guides. See you in the next video.